What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it is a detailing product video that I have used for a few days, or not a few days actually. It's been a few months I have used this product, and I like it. I've already used their towels, their drying towels. I have used, just a drying towel so far. I think just recently they came out with like a shampoo. So hopefully if I can get my hands on the shampoo, I will do another review for you guys for that. But today it is a ceramic detail spray. There is a lot of detail sprays on the market. There is a lot of different products out there you can go out and buy that are pretty affordable. This one is just as affordable. You can get it on Amazon. It is called GT Shine. You can, like I said, you can get it on Amazon, or I can post a link directly down with my affiliate link, and you guys can go ahead and help me out by getting this product on your in your cart. Help me out, help you out. This is good for bikes. This is good for cars. This is good for your glass. This is good for your paint, rims, pretty much all your exterior stuff. It also works really good on vinyl too. So we're going to go ahead and open up this garage, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use this product. So what we have here is GT Shine's ceramic spray. If you guys want to, go ahead and pause the video, look at the instructions on how to use this, and the do's and don'ts before. Do not apply in direct sunlight, which we're not going to do. Do not allow product to dry or sit on paintwork. Do not apply on body panel at a time. Shake well. Let's go ahead and get the spray in. So for right now, we're just going to do this panel right here from this line to this line in this like square. So like I said, we already shook it up. Go ahead and take off the lock. Go ahead and spray just a couple sprays. I say a couple, but it's more like 5. Go ahead and let that sit for a second. Go ahead and grab our towel. This is clean, by the way. Go ahead and wipe with one side using the 4-fold method. This is so fucking loud. And then flip it over, use the other side to buff off anything that's extra. I feel like instantly it should be okay to put water on. Should be fine. Let's go ahead and grab a water hose and see how well it works. I mean, it seems to sheet off way better than what it did here. Let's do another little test here. I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Yep. I mean, I feel like if it rained and I was driving, it's going to be pretty dry. So let's go ahead and get this car dried up. And if you guys want this product, like I said, go ahead and check out GT Shine on Instagram. You can go ahead and check them out on Amazon, and you can also go check them out in the link in my description. Once again, thank you, GT Shine, for allowing me to represent the company and help out with your guys' products. If there's anything else you guys want me to do, I will definitely go ahead and make a video. Sorry it took so long. A lot of personal things happened, so I couldn't do it right away. So let me go ahead and get this dry real quick, and I will do my outro. Okay, the car. Ooh, messed my thumb. The car is dry. Like I said, if you guys want to go ahead and go to get this product yourself, go ahead and check out GT Shine on Instagram at GT Shine, which should be somewhere down here. Or if you want to go ahead and check out the link in the description, go ahead and check that out as well. Or you guys can go ahead and go on Amazon and get GT Shine yourself. But if you get the link down below, it helps me out. Yeah, with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more videos you guys want to see, you guys can go ahead and just let me know down in the comments. And I'll give you a little light show of my new lights I just put in. Oh, look how bright they are. Sequential turn signals. That was the last video. Go ahead and check that out too. But with all that being said, guys, please have a safe trip. It is Father's Day. Have a good Father's Day, all the fathers out there. And I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.